Now, first of all, let's talk about your presentation here at the forum. And that was obviously about clutches, your expertise. Just to outline what you were talking about.
I was talking about the friction material in the clutch as the most important area of the clutch. And we had different friction pairings in motorsport, 3 or 4 different ones, and each has its own strength, if it's price, if it's performance. Yeah.
And you're talking about how the pluses and minuses, the positives and negatives of each of those pairings.
Yes, that's correct, yes. For carbon fiber it's an outlining performance, but it's very expensive, and sinter facings are inexpensive and very compact, but at the same time have weaknesses during the slip.
And what was the reaction to your presentation, and what were you explaining, how the industry is changing?
Also, yes, of course, the motorsport world is a bit slower, the markets are a bit smaller, and the development is maybe sometimes not as quick on these complicated fields, because there are no many scientists working on this science. But anyway, there is an ongoing development and research in our place. But it is also a science to learn more about existing friction combinations.
And what is ZF doing in that field? Is to research more and more about how you can improve existing pairings?
For sure, yes. Understanding the pairings better can also help us to find additional strengths, additional benefits of friction combinations. For example, if wear of a friction combination is too high to survive 24 hours, we can search for ways to configure the clutch disc in a different way that it will survive.
And at the exhibition, ZF is showing obviously a range of products here available.
Yes, of course. We have shock absorbers and also clutches. We are producing both of these products. We have clutches here for road cars, for racing cars, so applicable to any car if the flywheel can be changed, and up to Formula business, which is Formula 1, Dakar, 24 Hours of Le Mans, everything that is designed bespoke for the customer needs.
And what are the sort of things the customers are looking for these days? The combination of the sort of durability and the lightweight materials, obviously? For
sure, yes. So miniaturization is always a good point to search for in motorsport. So if we can make something smaller because the materials are more performant, this is always very attractive. But we must not forget also that the motorsport world has changed a bit over the year 2008, before the financial crisis. The budget of the teams have become smaller, and also here we try to find a kind of standardization to keep the prices of the products low.